Welcome back to Infinite Petals. Officially, planners and journal season is here. So, I am unboxing my 2026 journal, that is Alisa Shoja journal. So, I have ordered trio pack. Let us unbox the journal first. First, we have seen a thank you card, beautiful thank you card, and then a hanging calendar, which we can do lot of things with it, and we can assess everything whatever we want to like in this year. And there is one table calendar also. Then here comes the star of the journal, that is journal box. So Alisha Sauja's journals and planners will be very attractive, shining, and they'll be very what can I say, there is no words to express her creativity and everything. So in this journal box also we have, there is one butter paper which is very glossy, and one more thank you card. It shows her strength, and it shows her creativity, everything. And there is one little pocket planner which we can do lot of things in it. Let us see what we can plan in this planner. And there is one sticker book which we have lot of stickers, glossy ones, picture ones, everything. And here comes the star of the trio pack journal. This year I have ordered spiral journal. I just want to try this spiral one, and then next year let us go for hardbound. But if you can see this, it's very interesting, and it's so shiny, glossy, and full flip through we can see in another video. And now this is the free box which they can give in this trio pack. So in this lot of stuff is available. Here comes the first one, a handmade keychain. It's very beautiful, and in this they have written a small quote, that is trust the beginning, which gives us so much strength. And there is one coaster, handmade coaster, wooden one. It's very good. And there is one scallop notepad which we can plan lot of things in it. One bookmarker, it's very pretty actually. And there is one cute and nice photo frame. And we also get another notepad, doodling notepad, which we can use in many types of patterns. And here comes the Alisha Sauja's pens, colorful pens, which we can use a lot in this journaling and planning time. So here comes the last one, and this box also looks very cute, and it's very glossy. And let's see what's in this also. There is a scented candle. So it's so pretty. It's pink, and it's pink color, and there is written some smells like good luck. So this is the complete journaling trio pack which I have ordered from Alisa Soja. Next comes the flip through. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.